Alright, we've come to the business end. I'm going to start the process to remove the head to access the head gasket. If you've been following my other videos, we've removed all the other components. Started with the rocker cover, rocker shaft, injectors, the exhaust and air manifold. What I haven't shown is we've removed the diesel fuel filter that was here. Obviously the cooling hose, thermostat, pulled all that weight off it because it is going to be a heavy bit of cast. It's not something we want to damage, and we want to reduce as much weight on as possible and get clear access. Hence, a lot of things have had to come off with it. Now, when removing the head bolts, as per the manual, there is a very specific process of removing them. It's a numbered system, 17 bolts all up, and you have to remove them in the correct order. So I'll post a photo up. I'll also include the photo from the workshop manual, which is not too clear, but quickly. And what I've done, it's this trick I've used in the past, mainly so I don't mix the bolts up and can follow it. I've got a trusty liquid chalk marker, and following the manual, I've gone through and numbered all the bolts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Finally, 17 right here in the middle. And when you reassemble, you reverse the order. So you start at 17 and work backwards to 1. All right, I'm going to take a break. I'm not going to bore you with unbolting all these bolts. We'll pick up once I've got everything loose. All right, so we're back. I've loosened and removed all the bolts. Again, don't tell my wife, but I've stolen one of her flower pots. Makes a very good bolt holder. So, moment of truth. Let's see if we can get this off. Oh, yeah. Oh. Well, that's not a great sign. Fair bit of rust there. Fair amount of carbon build-up. You can see why I had a bit of trouble even getting this to go. Look at that. Not ideal, but we're getting there. Got it off. We've gone through the process. Valves. Yeah, it's shows a value in properly storing your machine, regularly flushing it, decarbonizing it, and just that regular scheduled maintenance as the workshop manual stated out. That is not pretty. So there's our copper gasket. I dare say that's going to be an original. Yeah, there's. Oh no. Oh well, that's not pleasant. Let's see if we can get a bit of movement out of it. Oh yeah. Stiff. No, that's about as much as I'm going to get out of it. And I'll try a big wheel. Ugh. Not pleasant at all. But for those watching, I'd much rather have a play on a donor engine like this. And Homer Craft, I'm doing this on a Fordson Major engine. I hope this has helped people get through the process of accessing the head gasket. Remove the head. We'll try and do some further videos as we go. Got a bit of attention here to clean a few things up. And we'll go from there. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Appreciate all my subscribers and comments. It's turned into a fantastic hobby. All right, have a good one.